The difference between a high efficiency furnace and an 80% efficiency furnace can be thousands of dollars, because it's not just the cost of equipment that you're paying for when you're having to get a new system installed. And for the government to mandate this without any sort of tax credit or rebate to offset that, I think is very unfair. But the good news is that you do have another year or 2 years before this takes effect, so at least it's not an overnight thing. And it also doesn't mean that you're going to have to rip out an 80% efficient furnace in your home in the future. It just means that there's less options for you to choose from.